Hey guys, you're watching Daniel and Gian React, and today we're going to check out Types of Sneezes by Jordindian.
This one I don't know what to expect, so there's no,
I have an idea.
And it's hard for me to say, tell me about your sneezes in the comments. I can tell you right now that I sneezed a certain way throughout middle school, for sure.
And you changed it. But we'll talk about it after the reaction. We'll share those stories after the reaction. Make sure you check out our full review of Bad Lapore this weekend. And make sure you like and subscribe.
Share this video too if you enjoy what
Share the video.
If you're enjoying the content that we're doing.
Unless you don't like it. Then still share it anyways.
And subscribe to Jordindian too.
Yes.
Because they're great and they're keeping us employed for all of those people out there who say we make money.
Exactly.
So thank you, Jordindian, for providing 2 jobs all the way out here in America.
One Jordindian video pays for both our rents.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
For the whole year.
Let's get it.
Hachu. Bless you. Thank you.
This gotta be their older video, because the quality is.
Yeah. That's funny.
What's up? No.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, can I have a peri-peri chicken burger?
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's nasty. All right.
Have you ever done that?
Yes.
Just because I am Arab, you think I'm a bomb? Huh? I say Alhamdulillah, you think I'm terrorist? This is the media, the media is putting this in your head, don't you understand? Alhamdulillah.
There might be some bloopers. Holy crap, that was good. Way better than I was expecting, and not in a bad way.
Yeah, what is this?
Yep, I'm glad they're showing that too. All right, so yeah, the booger one, those are the unexpected ones. Those are the ones that you sneeze and you're like, oh fuck, more came out than I was expecting. The worst is when you're in a situation and you don't have anywhere to wipe it. I don't know if I've definitely had those, where you sneeze in your hand.
Have you ever?
And you're like, oh fuck, I have mucus all in my...
Have you ever sneezed so hard that you had phlegm come out of your lungs and it comes out of your mouth?
No.
I've definitely had and then and it came out and I'm like, oh shit.
The sneeze and fart is definitely it's definitely happened.
It's
but
happened.
It's in the privacy of my own home though, more often than not.
I mean, I've kind of, I still kind of do the overreactor, but not a breakdance. Obviously, I just go, I go, yeah, I'll do martial arts. I was expecting
Hadouken.
Yeah, I got it from my dad because my dad when he
would do
sneezes,
the same thing.
No, when he sneezes, it's just like really like loud.
I sneeze very loud. I sneeze very loud. I've always sneezed very loud. As a matter of fact, when I was in middle school, the teachers would think I was playing jokes. Like I would get in trouble for sneezing, because so what I would do is, technically they were right. Technically they were right, but the sneezes were always real.
Right.
So I figured out early that if you just like punch your nose or you mess with your sinuses, you can cause yourself to actually sneeze legitimately. Or at least for me, that's how it works for me. I don't know if it'll work now, but.
I swear to God, if you sneeze on my fucking laptop, man. If I get some Daniel juice on my keyboard, man. Right.
I don't know if it's gonna work on command, but anyway, I would do that and then I would sneeze extra, like I would sneeze loud, like and that's what I would get in trouble for. My friends would make fun of me and they would never get in trouble. They would sneeze like that they would sneeze the same, but they would add like at the end. Like they would sneeze, it sounded fake, but they never once got in trouble for this shit. And I would always get in trouble for doing it for reals.
He's got one of those faces, bro.
I think that's what it is. I think they just are like, he's up to something.
And I'm okay with that, man. I understand.
But I enjoyed this. It was funny. What I enjoyed about it was I did not expect these skits to be because I didn't know I was like, all right, types of sneezes. Come on, what kind of video?
Right.
And then I saw it. I'm like, oh, duh. There's tons of people who are like, just Jesus Christ. They sneeze and they fucking, oh Jesus. Oh God, whatever. I mean, I think that's funny. I don't know. I think that's good.
Let me ask you, are there any kind of sneezes that annoy you? Yeah.
Those, or the.
I hate it when
they don't make any noise. And
no, when people stifle their sneeze and they're like, yeah, and then just a like little grunt.
Like just sneeze,
yeah,
bro.
Just let it out. Let it out.
Yeah.
Usually girls. The
yeah. And the. Yeah, those like, or those. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Those are the ones.
Yeah.
Because there's no, I mean because I've heard both, and I've heard the stereotypical one too. That like
or the Japanese anime ones, the anime girls. You know, they'll be like,
Achoo. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
That's or they have to sneeze in threes. I know people like that. Like. I always have to sneeze in threes. I could never sneeze, and so it's. I don't know. That's what I've encountered. Anyway, though, did you guys appreciate this? What are your favorite types of sneezes out there from this video? What have you guys encountered? Have you guys encountered anything different from these types of sneezes?
Is there a sneeze that we don't know about that you want to inform us about?
Let us know in the comments if that's the case.
And if you like this video, make sure to check out our Jordindian playlist.
And then share this. Share this with all your friends. Let's
like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, bros.
Let's grow and continue to spread the love.